Yo, what's going on, guys? Nickinator here, and we have got a new series coming at you guys, all right? This one's going to be a Factorio series. I've actually been doing this over on Twitch. I've been streaming this whole thing over on Twitch, so this is going to be a little bit of a voiceover highlight video for YouTube. I'm going to take each day that I stream and put it into a highlight video for you guys and kind of just go over what I did and my progress throughout the stream, basically. So, this is Space Exploration mod pack, and I also have a couple other mods to help me out, like LTN and all that good stuff. I'm going to put the entire mod list in the description down below, so if you're interested in taking a look at all the mods I'm using, be sure to hit that link. So, as you can see, we started up the game here. You know, we're mining along, we're getting the furnaces and everything, all the beginning stuff set up, basically. We're just getting the factory started up, and we're in it for the long haul on this. So, space exploration is a very long mod pack. I'm probably guessing it's going to take me well over 500 hours of game time to get there. I'm not a very, let's say, seasoned Factorio player. I'm still learning as we go along. I have about 400 hours in the game, which may seem like a lot if you're probably new to the Factorio series or game, I guess, but it's actually not very much in the grand scheme of things. So we're going to be learning a lot as we go along. So join me for the journey, and let's see where it goes from there. So we're just going to pick up some highlights. I'll come on and kind of explain what's going on over top of the video. All right? Hope you guys enjoy watching. All right, can you believe it? We have belts automated. Oh my God, here we go. A little bit of an update. We have got the belts automated. So, if you want to get anywhere in the factory, you need to automate belts. Otherwise, you're going to be sitting there handcrafting them forever and ever and ever. So, we have got belts automated. This has got to be the biggest jump in the factory's history. Just look at these goddamn belts. And we got some viewers of mine just, you know, screwing with me with Dixper, but you know, that's okay. They like to mess around with my game and everything. A little bit of a challenge, but yeah, I'm excited. The factory's starting to come along. Things are automated, and I'll check in with you guys when I've got some science going. Alrighty, so we totally do not have science automated. Totally not.
Science pack of 42 minutes.
Oh my God.
42 minutes.
Hell yeah.
The first science pack.
We got the first science packs automated. Just piling into the laboratory. Look at all these miners just go. Look at them all. Oh my God, it's exciting. It's so exciting. Now that's what I'm talking about. The automation is beginning.
Okay, now what? Now what we got to do?
Now what? Now what, Nick?
This. Fill it up to 100.
Fill it up to 100. Fill it up to 9,000. Let's go.
And then...
All right, I'll check in with you guys in another little bit here.
What is the... Holy pollution. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Okay, we gotta get some guns going here.
Alrighty, so here we are. We are starting our bus. Yes, we are getting on the bus. It might be a Venga bus. I got no idea, but it's a bus, and we got, all right, we got iron going now, not copper. Gee, we don't have copper on there yet, but we are starting a little bit of a bus. I think it's a really good way to start out. Some people do a main bus for the entirety of the game, right? You know, it's all up to what you want to do. Me personally, I'm not planning on doing a bus for the entirety. I will explain what I'm going to be doing later on, but we are doing a bus for now, just to get started, so we can get some good stuff going. I've got the things going for the belts again, and I do see an inserter missing. Do I see it right now? Oh my God, the one going from those gears to the engines. It's missing. Come on, Nick. God, I wish I can go back and time travel and let him know it's missing. Jesus. Anyhow, I'm sure we'll figure that out in a couple seconds here, and yeah, just wanted to update you guys and tell you what's going on.
Are we not making any... Oh my god, we weren't making any belts. Because this wasn't doing anything. Copper plates. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh. They destroyed my box of ammo. Oh, these sons of bitches. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I don't know how much ammo was in there. Like a light. Like a light. Ah! Jesus, this game fucking has jump scares in it itself. Alrighty, so coming back in, another little bit of an update. We've got the labs incorporated with the main bus, and we've got some power generating with some turbines. Yeah, leave. God, I need to put these turrets up, man. And we are just getting mowed down by some biters. We're having a lot of problems. We're pushing out that pollution because look at all the stuff we got going everywhere. So yes, we got to put some guns down. We got to, you know, manage that stuff, but we'll figure it out. Anyhow, some more stuff, more main bus stuff. Hell yeah. Alrighty, so we made some improvements. We added some things. The factory is growing, and the factory must continue growing. All right. We have gun turrets automated. Those are going. We've incorporated. We got copper plates in the bus. We're getting stone bricks up in there. Things are starting to look nice, guys. Hell yeah. Alrighty, skipping forward ahead a little bit. Take a look at this. All right, guys. This is the Outpost Planner mod. You set it up and you just drag the thing right over and it just puts all the mines down as a blueprint for you. Works very handy if you got bots readily available, but if not, you know, manually placing them is okay too. So, yeah. Anyhow, we're grabbing a big patch of iron and just slapping this bad boy down, and it's great. Looks like I didn't like how it was, but, you know, you get the gist. All right, another quick little jump here. As you can see, we got a big smelting array right there for the iron. And what I'm doing right there is I'm using the YARM tool, which is a resource management tool. It'll actually keep track of that iron ore patch and put it into a list for me. And when it gets low on ore, it'll alert me and saying, hey, we're getting low on ore. And, you know, you need some more iron or copper, basically. It's a very handy tool. So, hell yeah. We gotta deal with these things, too. Alrighty, so here we go. We are starting to, you know, spaghetti our way into making some green science right here. Look at us go. Look at this. Some belts, some inserters, and we basically have green science right there, guys. And so, yeah, we embrace spaghetti around here. We just embrace spaghetti, pasta, whatever, lasagna. It's crazy around here. And this is the way to do Factorio in my mind. So hell yeah. As we continue on, you'll see me do a lot of spaghetti designs, and I'll bring you along the journey and I'll show you it all. So let's go. Ah! That was quite the horde that came in. Oh my god, we need to move these guns. We're getting into circuit boards. No, I don't. Oh, as you can see. Oh, just look at my face. Oh, I am not impressed right there. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Anyhow, I figured I'd come on. This was a good time to update anyway. I've expanded the science production. I think this setup is 1 per second of the 2 sciences there. So, you know, we're expanding and making the factory grow. That's what we're going for. We got to keep researching. We got to keep going, right? We got to get the space exploration. That's the first goal of space mod pack here. So, anyhow, hell yeah. See you guys in a bit.
Alrighty, so as we continue to grow the factory, just take a look at this iron supply over here, alright? If you think you got enough iron, you gotta think again, and you gotta add more. And you just gotta keep adding. Iron is just gonna be a constant debt in your factory. So here we are, just adding a whole bunch of smelters to make iron. And steel here, as you can see, this one's the one for steel. So just keep pumping it up, all right? Just keep going, going and going, 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 going. And after doing that with iron, you got to do it with copper, all right? You just going, 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 going. Copper furnaces, everything. Just keep it going. Look, I ran my entire game. I ran through missing iron. I was low on iron, low on iron, low on iron. I finally fixed my iron. Look at all these iron plates coming through, and now I'm out of copper. Hold on. So I messed something up. It's mixing in freaking iron plates with this. Oh no. Wait, what? Oh no. I didn't account for the ore. Shit, how do I deal with this? Oh no. Oh, this. Alrighty, so after dealing with some of the production issues and maybe some errors that I have encountered, we are deciding to set up the steam engines, which is a very high recommendation over the turbine generator, whatever it's called. There's the burner turbine generator. I can't remember what it's called right now, but it was what I was using for power to begin with. But you want to switch over to steam power as soon as you can, because those turbine things, they only have an 85% efficiency, whereas with steam engines, you actually get the full 100% efficiency from the fuel you're burning. So here I am setting up a little bit of a array for that, and yeah, we'll get it online. So also at this time of the factory, we do have military science set up as well. So we're pumping out even more science. So that one's also set up to do 1 science per second. And it also gives us that byproduct of having some piercing ammo magazines. So yeah, we're working hard at the factory and we're continuing along. It's so far it's a good first day. So as you can see, I'm going out and clearing out some of the biter bases here and taking them out. They're a little bit away from the base, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I got the expansion turned off, so I don't have to worry about the biters expanding closer to my base and stuff. I think, in my personal opinion, I like having expansion turned off. Yeah, it makes it a little bit easier, but it also, gives me a little bit less headaches. So, and I think it's probably a good thing to do for space exploration, where you might be on a different planet and the biters will be expanding into your territory. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Oh, for fuck, I got stuck. All right, so moving on with the factory production, we are doing oil. All right, oil is the next stepping stone towards blue science, which is the 4th science pack. And we're connecting all these science things up to a pump over on the left side, and that's actually a train over there. We're doing train because we like trains. It would probably be cheaper to do a pipe all the way back to the base, but trains. And I like trains. Trains are great. So we are processing some of the oil we got here. This is a simple setup kind of thing going on to make some plastic bars and sulfur, which is needed to make, plastic to make red circuits and sulfur to put into the blue science. I am not calculating anything. This is all eyeballed. I just hook up pipes and we just do things as we go, because that's how I roll. That's how I roll around here. Calculate? What is that? No, I'm just kidding. I do some calculations with Hellmod, but as for when it comes to oil and stuff, yeah, I press buttons and do things. All right, so about 20 minutes later, we have almost got Blue Science hooked up, kind of doing it the same-ish way as before. This is okay. I did it a little bit neat. And no, with the circuits up above with the green circuits and all that stuff, I am not doing direct insertion because I am crazy. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's just the way I want to do things. All right. I did get asked one of these times, like direct insertion or whatever. Nah, we use belts. We like belts. We like putting things on belts and weaving them all through the buildings and stuff and just adding to the spaghetti. So, yeah. Blue Science. Let's go. All right, so we have unlocked electric furnaces, so we're kind of switching over to electric furnaces so we can sweeten up our belts, put the ore on two sides, and not have fuel go all over my factory. That's just my preferred way of doing things. I know a lot of people will continue doing the fuel on the belt and doing the steel furnaces instead of the electric furnaces, but nah, this is how I roll. I like my electric furnaces, and we could put modules in there, so hell yeah. All right, so not gonna lie, quite a large time jump here. I think about an hour and a half. I basically spent all the time replacing all the furnaces with electric furnaces, adding some more ore patch or drills onto ore patches and stuff to increase our production on all that, and yeah. And getting ready. Okay, so I did add the electric engines here, and I'm getting ready to build the drones. I'm going to automate some drones for me. Also, yeah, so the batteries, I added in some batteries as well. And these are for the flying robot frames, and then we're going to automate construction drones, basically, which is a big must. Construction drones are, yeah, automate them. That's all I got to say. You want lots of construction drones, so whether it be the personal roboport, you need 10 at least on you, or for your roboport thing, we're gonna make lots of robots and have them fly around and basically build for us. So, hell yeah. Alrighty, so we have the jetpack and the personal roboport, and we're kicking ass right now. Basically, the jetpack is a very handy tool to have. You have to get the jetpack in order to do anything. Nah, I'm just kidding. You don't have to, but the jetpack's amazing. It does use a lot of fuel. It uses either processed fuel or the rocket fuel, and it does go through it quite quick. But the jetpack is awesome, and it makes you fly around really quick. Look at me go. I'm killing it with the jetpack. But anyhow. A bit of a jump, and we're gonna have one more at the end of the session here. It's gonna be the end of the episode here. So see you guys in a bit. Alrighty, so as we come to an end to the factory, I'm gonna do a quick sweep through of what we have so far. We got the main bus, we got the 4 sciences, the construction drones. We're kicking ass, but this is where I call it. I'm calling it quits for the day. I'm pretty sure that was 12 hours of playing all day, and I was completely addicted. I wanted to play more, but, you know, I got to be responsible at the same time. What is being responsible? Come on. Anyhow, if you enjoyed watching and you enjoy what you saw today, and you made it this far, Jesus, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you get alerted the next time I post a Factorio video. I am having a blast playing this, and hope to see you guys soon. Peace.